Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Today I'm gonna make a Thai basil vegetable and tofu. I love Thai basil. Whenever I see them, I cannot help buying them. Mr. Cameraman also loves it, right?
It's really great. Love the flavor.
Yeah, love the flavor, and we often make with chicken and fried rice. And let me show you the ingredients. So for the vegetable, I'm gonna use string beans and half red onions. You can use regular onion and minced garlic. This is 6 cloves of garlic, lots of garlic. Basil leaves, and I always leave them in the water. Can you see? So they last like about 2 weeks, right? More than 2 weeks. And I have a pack of tofu. This firm tofu. You can use regular tofu. So this is my frozen chili peppers. So you cannot use them up. You just put in the Ziploc. They last for a while. It's over a month now, right?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Then we need, of course, light soy sauce and fish sauce. In Chinese, you don't know, right?
I don't know.
鱼露. Can you say that?
鱼露.
鱼 is fish. 鱼露. And next I'm going to do some cutting. So for the onion, just slice like this. Similar size to string beans. Yeah, some of them longer. We can just cut in half. To bite size. And for the basil, just need the leaves. So got all the leaves, and just leave some uncut like that to finish with. And I have to julienne some of them. Okay, and tofu. I think we're going to just use half, right? This is about what? 14 ounces. Some paper towel here. Just use half. Cut in half. And half. Similar size to our vegetables. Like that. And chili peppers, depends on how spicy you like. How many should we use? 4?
Yeah, 4 is good.
You can take the heat.
Sure.
It's cut in half. I'll cut up. Oh, I lost one piece. And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to medium. We add some oil. And we add some of the minced garlic. So this is the first step. We're going to cook our string beans, which take more time. Add string beans. And a little bit salt. Of course, you cannot cook through string beans with just the pan fry. So we need to add some water to steam it in the pan, like that. And we'll cover it, cook about 5 minutes. Now string beans cook about 5 minutes. Let's add basil, garlic, lots of garlic, pepper, and onions. Now we add our tofu. Give it a stir. Now we add our fish sauce, 鱼露, right? And some soy sauce. Mix together. And let it cook about 3 minutes. Our vegetables are almost ready. Let me just taste quickly. Awesome. Just a little bit of fish sauce. Finish with some basil leaves. Wow, delicious. Give it a stir. And our basil vegetables ready. Close up, please, Mr. Cameraman. Wow, looks great, right? Beautiful color. Onions, chili pepper, and lots of garlic. Tofu is lightly browned. Are you ready to try?
I'm ready.
Let's try.
Let's try. Wow.
Delicious, right?
That's great.
Feel the heat?
Yeah, but it's not as bad as I thought. I love the onions.
Only use the 4 chili peppers. Now onions great, right? Sweet, add a sweetness.
Wow, tofu. That's a great taste.
And basil leaves, so aromatic. I love it. And also this so garlicky.
Wow.
What do I say? Like something goes very well with rice. 下饭.
下饭.
Yeah, goes very well with rice. Delicious, right?
So delicious. Great.
Please try to make it. If you cannot find Thai basil leaves, you can use the honey basil, right? You probably can find at your farmer's market. I love it. I just love Thai basil.
So delicious.
Awesome. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs
Thumbs up.
up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.